In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install IPA files on your iPhone. Go to settings. Settings. Just follow me. Go to screen time in settings. Go to content privacy restrictions. Go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Go to installing apps and make sure this is on allow. Okay, next go back. Go to allowed apps and features. And make sure all of these are on, especially for Safari. If Safari isn't on, then this won't work. Okay, and then you could just you could go to Safari and then search up IPA. Just search up IPA, and you could now install any IPA files you want. Let me show you. Download IPA. Download in browser. And boom, as you can see, download. And as you can see, it has now been downloaded. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. See you guys in another video. Bye.